was 16 years old. I started getting a receding hairline, started having my hair thin. Now having it kind of full, having a hairline is one of the best things that happened from the surgery. Psychologically, I definitely have more confidence. I have confidence at work. I actually got a promotion, a sales promotion for doing well. I have more confidence with girls, confidence with my friends. So yeah, it's helped me out a lot that way. For appearance-wise, I don't have to wear a hat anymore when I go out. I like getting dressed, looking nice, and not always wearing a hat. I now have to take a shower every morning and do my hair, put gel in it, and I have to comb it, get haircuts. I never used to go to the barber, so now I have to actually go to the barber, get haircuts, which is awesome. As of right now, I'm pretty content with the surgery. I might go back later, get it a little more fuller, and I'll definitely recommend Dr. Umar for patients in the future.